morning, my beauties. It's Monday morning. Yeah, I left Ludlow. It was a beautiful place. It really was. It's really worth having a look at or spending a couple of days there. I only done a day because I was eager to get over to Wales. But I'm in Wales now, and I'll put a little clip, a map thing. That's what I'll do. I'll put a map thing up here. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's go out and have a look about where I'm parked, because I'm near, I don't know where I'm near, but I'll put a map up. I don't know what that parking is half a mile up the road, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm down there. Your main road runs down there, so I'm quite a way off the main road. Not much traffic, as you can hear. How beautiful is that? And I'm tucked in just there out the way. Lovely, eh? Got picnic benches. I'm not sure if I'm going to say that way now. I might stay that way round. There's plenty of room for cars to get in and out. I took no room up at the end there. There's another motorhome turning up now, but we'll have a look. Anyway, let's get in. Now you see how I parked in this new spot, so that 4 campers could get at the side of me at least. This is what you're dealing with. Right, that one's blocked me in because he wants to face that way. And then that one wants to park there. I mean, why didn't they just fucking park parallel with me? Does not make fucking sense, mate. No fucking brains, that's what it is. No fucking brains. Dickheads, mate. Dickheads everywhere you go. Good morning, my beauties. How are you? I hope this day finds you well, as it has me. We're in Wales, and we're about to go and have a look at a waterfall. Well, I think we are. It's a nice little park up, and I stayed down the bottom last night, but I've come up to today, up to the top. I thought it might be a bit of sun, but no, it's in woodland. But lovely little area. I'll spin you around and we'll go and have a look. I won't do all the walk because I know it bores you. We'll just go and have a look at the billboards here and find our easiest route. Red route. Easy. 20 minutes. Apparently. That's where we are. There we go. Red. 20 minutes. There's no vehicles after this point. Well, it said there's no vehicles, but I've seen a car or 2 go down here. We're going to go and have a walk on the red route. I couldn't get in at the top there. Well, I didn't want to encroach on people's, so I just stuck out the way. Anyway, let's get down there and have a look. I'll catch you down there unless I see anything of interest. Yeah, I'm not down the hill yet. Well, it's not much of an hill, but what a backdrop. stream down there. It's not a cold day. We're going to the red route. It says it's easy, the red route. We'll see. So if I can climb up there, that is not the red route. Here we go. Look at the size of these. I think this one's marked for the deaf. How beautiful. The Warren Trail there. I don't know what that one is. It's absolutely beautiful. Little streams. Right, apparently this is 200 metres. Break its neck. Water break its neck. Apparently. And this is the easy trail. Let's have a look. It's a trickle of a stream through the slate. How lovely. This is a bit precarious for easy route, I think. It's quite slippy, but how beautiful. You know, I said drop there, mate. What do you mean, easy route? I'll get down there. A bit precarious, that one. That's a deep step down, well, slip. It's only 200 metres away, it said. Thank God for that, eh? How are you, my lovelies? We've arrived. I was expecting a bit more, but we've arrived. And this is Great the Water Neck, whatever it is. Yeah. It's one of them. I'll spin you around and give you a look before we head back for a nice cup of tea. See you in a minute. And the sun's come out for us. There it is in all its glory. Was it worth it? Of course. Of course, that's what I'm out here for. I mean, just look. Oh, wow. I've just noticed these, look. Well, there's hundreds of them. What a beautiful gesture. Oh, there's one fell down here. Let me pick that up. Alan and Ellen, Emma. You can go back on there. How lovely. Hey? The sun. Love Wales.
See incidents, some real life happening. What's your place on the scene?